for me and Charles, to be together physically. So I really need a prayer for that. That God will open the door, and maybe very soon I'm going to Cebu to do things for my marriage. Um, Charles also doing his part there, and me I'm also going to do my part in order for in order for me and Charles to be together. So please pray, because I'm going to talk to a lawyer, and the same thing as Charles also wanted to he already emailed a lawyer, and please pray that that lawyer will respond to the